ask you why not, because I think both the beautiful ladies are very beautiful, elegant, understated, and I think they have this more than beauty. I think it's to do with the heart, and they are my really close friends, and I'm very happy and glad that they are working today. Well, the inspiration is actually, the collection is called Dance of the Peacock at the Amber Fort. So basically it means that the inspiration has been taken from the art and architecture of Jaipur. So if you look at Sophie's lehenga, the intricate motifs and the detail, whether it's arches or the door, everything to do with the fort, intricate details have been put into the clothes. So this time, more than rendering, it is more about detailing of the artwork of Jaipur forts.
अब आप बस दुल्हा ढूंढने में नहीं, मैंने सोचा कि एक रिहर्सल होनी चाहिए ना शादी से पहले, तो मंदिरा ने करवा दी. It's actually quite comfortable. It is a little bit heavy, and I think we have to give credit to all the brides across the country right now because it's wedding season. दुल्हन बनना आसान नहीं है, because you want to be beautiful, you want to be comfortable, नज़ाकत भी आनी चाहिए, वो हर अदा आनी चाहिए. But this outfit just made me feel so pretty and so feminine. I think that's the most important thing. And traditional. I know कि मेरी image है थोड़ी maybe western or glam, लेकिन मैं एक बहुत ज़्यादा traditional लड़की हूँ in my values. So it made me feel like that, and डोली में पहली बार मौका मिला है बैठने के लिए, तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. Hopefully next time it'll be for the real thing. क्या खूबसूरती से उठी ना, it looked really pretty. Exactly वही मैं कह रही थी कि मंदिरा ने ये मौका दिया है, and I hope कि अगली बार जब ऐसा हो तो असलियत में हो, and I'm sure it'll be as good. अभी है वही मैंने आपसे सबसे पहले तो मैंने यही कहा, सबसे कि पहले दुल्हा तो ढूंढिए. Wow, there's so many do's and don'ts. I would not want to be uncomfortable. I would not want to have. I would not want to look like somebody else. अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि दुल्हन इतनी तैयार हो जाती है शादी वाले दिन कि वो नहीं लगती, अलग ही लगती है. So I would want to look like myself. I would want to enjoy my wedding. ऐसी बहुत सारी दुल्हनें मैंने देखी हैं who are so uncomfortable that they can't even enjoy their wedding. And above all, खुशी होनी चाहिए ना, family, friends, your loved ones. That's what it should be.
Well, I'm very fortunate coming from Canada. I had the opportunity of meeting Mandra early on this year when I was judging Miss Diva, and her designs are a great reflection of what India is all about, what Jaipur is all about. It's about the luxury combined with comfort, and I am so fortunate to be in India at my birthplace, because all these beautiful clothes and embroideries, it just reminds me of my roots. So thank you, Mandra,
thank you so
for
much.
creating such a beautiful clothes with so much detail, and we both feel extremely fortunate. And I jumped on this right away. She's the only designer that I chose to walk for this season for the bridal week, because she's extremely special and sweet and treated me like a princess. So yes, I wear Indian clothes all the time. I love it. It's very comfortable. It makes you feel very sweet and yet sexy. All the cameras are like.
प्रीति ने एक्चुअली बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल ब्राइडल वेयर डिज़ाइन किया है, क्योंकि इट्स अ स्पेशल डे, एंड आई थिंक जब स्पेशल आउटफिट्स बनते हैं एंड जब ऐसा काम होता है, दिस बाय द वे वेज आई थिंक एज मच एज आई डू, बट इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. और आई थिंक ऑल गर्ल्स आर हैप्पी टू सफ़र इन very heavy clothes or clothes that जब ठंड लगती है तो.
Yeah, the inspiration was, I took inspiration from the old royal Indian textiles, royal Indian embroideries. That's what I try to pull out, things which are maybe 100 years old or 200 years old. Those techniques I had used in these outfits. See, it's the lehenga, the way it is cut, and the blouse, it is stitched. That's very important. And the styling of the blouse. The neck depth has to be just perfect. The sleeve length has to be just perfect. These are small details. If one pays attention to it, the whole outfit turns out beautiful. Colors. See, I have used colors because India is known for colors, and I've started off with creams, and that's when I've gone into more brighter colors, and then we're looking at more deeper colors. So that is more the combination of whole colors I've done in the collection. She's so beautiful. I knew that it's going to look beautiful on her, and she's going to look very beautiful in it.
As a girl who loves to get dressed, is that I think every girl, whether something is heavy or not, or uncomfortable or sort of sleeveless in the winter, I think every girl loves to look special every day, and on a special day then even more special. And when an outfit is so beautiful, I think you forget about how heavy it is, or how sort of, I don't know, there's nothing else in your mind except for the fact that you feel special that day. And yeah, I mean for me as a girl, I'm telling you, this is what it is. मुझे एक trick question पता है and I'm not going to fall for it, but I think हमारी फिल्मों में इतने beautiful गाने होते हैं, संगीत के, मेहंदी के, और folk songs भी बहुत सुंदर होते हैं. तो मैं आज लेकिन नहीं गाऊंगी क्योंकि आज मैं एक रॉयल ब्राइड और रॉयल ब्राइड गाऊंगी. I want to wish everyone a very very happy new year, and before that there's a very fun festival which is Christmas, and so Merry Christmas and a very happy new year.